Good morning. Hey guys, it's me, Roshani, here again with another video. It's early Saturday morning, so y'all don't pay attention to my face because your girl looks tired. But yes, I'll be making pancakes today, and I'll be using the flour from Costco, light and fluffy flour. It's my first time using it, by the way. So yes, I love adding milk to the pancakes, guys. It tastes so good with the milk. Yes, add some protein in there. But let me tell y'all something. Right after making these pancakes, we realized that they were sweet already, and well, we end up using syrup anyway because pancakes with no syrup, I don't know, like you need syrup for the pancakes. But I was using, before this, I used to use the flour from Walmart. It's like yellow package. I don't remember the name of it or whatever, but yeah, those pancakes, oh my gosh, the flour is kind of hard, like it's heavy. So when you make the pancakes, they come out nice and fluffy and fat, like oh my god. But these are like thin, and like I kind of burned them. It kind of looks black or whatever, like I roasted them or whatever. But I realized, I was like, how come these pancakes don't come out the same as the other one? But then I read the title, the package, it says light and fluffy, so the flour is a little lighter than the other flour. But anyways, they came out good. They tasted all right. I'd rather use the other flour from Walmart. But anyways, guys, yes, well guys, keep watching. Let me know what you guys think down. What kind of flour do y'all use for your pancakes? Let me know down in this comment section. Let me know which one is better, because I know there is Aunt Jemima or Jemima or whatever. There's that one. I don't like that one. The pancakes kind of taste sour. I don't know why. But there's a yellow one from Walmart, and then there's this one from Costco. This one from Costco is 50-50 for me. My number one flour to use for the pancakes, and the taste is the one from Walmart with the yellow package. All right guys, so let me know what you guys think down in the comment section, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos. Okay, I'll see y'all later. Bye bye.